I can see that room becoming more and more mine.
You always back into her. Everybody does. But I'm not going to let her. She can't control me.
Oh, yes, I can. I am your mother, and I will control you till the day you die.
I wasn't talking to you!
Oh, yes, you were. Just then she was talking to me, wasn't she, Dan?
You talking to me?
2, 3. Boom! That's when the door would have slammed. If we still had it.
Steve thought that having Julia around would make it easier on Joanne because Joanne worries so much about him being a cop. But then when he was seeing that Swedish chick, she never worried at all because you know how icy those Nordic types are.
Is that what you guys do all day? Sit there in your patrol car and discuss your personal problems?
He's my partner, Roseanne. He's going through some rough stuff. Steve's very torn.
I want my taxes back.
What are you doing?
I'm cleaning.
Cleaning?
Yeah. What does it look like I'm doing?
Looks like you're snooping. The girls will come home to an entirely reordered room and never quite know if anything was touched because clearly everything was touched. Mom used to do that.
I am not snooping. I am cleaning. And I am not Mom.
Planning on cleaning her diary?
I was thinking about it.
Roseanne, you remember when Mom did that to you? Good for you.
I thought I had a handle on my kids. But Becky's turned into a total stranger. I'm just looking for clues, you know?
So she's not talking to you. Big deal. I didn't talk to Mom for a month.
Yeah, and she went stark raving mad.
You're the one that told me to do it. So, see, Becky's no different than we were.
Yes, she is, and the times we're living in are completely different. And anyways, what would you know about it? You're not even a mom.
When are you going to quit throwing that up to me?
When your water breaks. Will you help me flip this one?
Aha. Now this is Becky's diary.
You think that's like the X-rated version?
If she's having any fun at all, it is.
Oh, thank you. What do you think she's got written in there?
Stuff she doesn't want you to see, stuff about you, stuff about sex. Same stuff you used to write in your diary.
How do you know what I used to write in my diary?
Because I read it.
You did not.
I did too, and I quote, "Dear Lord, help me stop doing you-know-what."
Well, I read your diary, too.
No, you didn't.
Oh, I did so.
Oh, yeah. Oh, so where did I keep it?
It doesn't matter. I read it.
You don't know where I kept it.
And I didn't just read it. Mom read it, too. She used to come in there and read it right out loud and go, "Is this true? Is this true?"
My Scarlet diary?
Uh-huh.
I never had a Scarlet diary. Ow! So, you gonna read it?
I don't know. Then I really would be Mom. I don't know what to do.
She's 14, Roseanne. 14-year-olds are vile, testy, snarling, secretive beasts. Becky's perfectly normal. You just have to give her some privacy.
Yeah. With Mom, nothing was ever secret.
She used to force her way in, steal information, and use it against us.
Beverly Gate.
There are some things you don't need to know.
Well, how'd you get so smart?
Reading your diary.
Can I come in? Dinner's going to be ready in a few minutes.
Okay.
Will you go set the table for me?
I guess you want to sit up here and talk to yourself.
Go.
Go in. I'll leave it open.
I was in here doing some cleaning today, and I came across your diary. Well, diaries. I didn't read it, though. I almost did, but then I thought, I don't want to violate my kids' privacy the way my mom violated mine, so I put it back under the mattress.
So what do you want, a prize?
Thanks, you just gave me one. You know, I just guess I hope that me and you would have a better relationship that I got with my mom. So, here's my peace offering. You know, I guess I don't understand everything you're going through. But then again, I don't think you understand everything I'm going through either. So, I'm giving you back your door because that's the way I'd want to be treated. So here's your door. You can keep it closed whenever you want to. And sometimes, I hope you'll open it up and let me in. But no pressure.
We can't go to the movies because you're still grounded.
Not anymore. Mom let me off the hook.
No way.
I got our door back, didn't I? And we're going to the mall.
The old silent treatment really worked.
To perfection.
Aunt Jackie is so brilliant.
Mom is never going to pry her way into my life again. She promised.
Well, yeah, but now that she's done haunting you, I mean, who do you think she's going to go after? What about my life?
Too bad. But it's going to be a lot easier for you now that I've broken through. I mean, I have got Mom exactly where I want her.
Hi, I was just cleaning.